discussion about the 12 volts, 24 volts, and 36 volts, and 48 volts. We are going to talk about this example. I have a boat, it's a 35 feet sea rate, and my friend Danny have another boat, 35 feet sea rate. Similar boat. My boat, the wiring is in 12 volts, and the boat of Danny, the wiring is in 24 volts. 12 volts my boat, 24 Danny boat. And Danny says, oh, my boat have more power than your Mickey Mouse boat. Danny said that my boat, 12 volts, have less power than this boat. That's true?
No.
Why not? Why not? Let me check. We have in the battery bank, in the house battery bank, two batteries of 12 volts and 100 amps. And battery, and the Danny boat, 12 volts, 100 amps, two batteries in each battery bank. Let me check. In this boat, in my boat, 12 volts, and the Danny boat, 24 volts.
Yeah, depends on how it's
No. We are going to do the exercise. Look at this. I have two batteries, guys, follow me. I have two batteries connected in parallel because my boat is 12 volts.
And 200 amps.
And each battery, Javier, is 12 volts, 100 amps. 12 volts, 100 amps. Everybody follow me? I'm going to connect both batteries in, and this is my output. And I am going to connect this, and this is my output. How much I have here? 12 volts and
200 amps.
200 amps. How much is the power? You remember yesterday the two magic formulas? Voltage equal intensity times resistance, and power equal voltage times intensity. Power in watts. How much is the power in this boat? It's 12 volts times the intensity. The intensity is 200 amps. How much is that? 2400 watts, or 2.4 kilowatts. Yes or not?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the power of the Lopez boat. The Danny boat. The Danny boat is in series because it's 24 volts, no? How is the series? Which cable I connect?
The negative to positive.
Which one? No problem, no? I am going to connect this with this. How should be that connection?
Tight. Lock nut on.
And protected, no? Okay, and what is my output? This is my output, and this is my output. How much is the voltage over there in the output right now? 24 volts and 100 amps. Oh, less amps. I'm going to check the power in the Danny boat. How much is the power? 24 times 100. How much is that? 2400 watts. Ah, the power is the same. Danny, your boat is exactly the same than my boat.